Hi there, welcome to today's coding challenge. We are working with ChatGPT again, and I have GitHub Copilot activated on my VS Code, so we have double AI. So today I'm not working on a WordPress plugin. Today I would like to just build a standalone PHP application that enables a store to create a gift card, like for a physical store, where they can just set like an amount, like $50 for a gift card, and then they can print out the gift card as like an actual physical card. Like I want to make a PDF of the gift card with like a barcode and some kind of code that the customer can use. And then I want to make it so that they can use it multiple times. So let's say if it's a $50 gift card, they can use it $25 one day and then $25 another day. So I want to make a system where the owner of the store can check if there's money left on a gift card. Can check like the barcode and then check it from the database. Is there still something left? And if there is, then you can use it. So let's start doing that. I have created a couple files here. I have just a public folder and a source folder and an index here and an autoloader here. So let's start with writing the autoloader first, because this might be a good demonstration of the GitHub Copilot. So let's say SPL, or should I just say create autoloader. That's not what I want. SPL autoload register, and that's it. I don't have to do anything else. That works. Except I want it from the source folder, so I will say get file from source src folder. Great, that's good. Okay, that should work. Now let's go chat with ChatGPT. And what should we ask? We should first generate a database for this. So I want to have like the amount of the gift card and the code and probably like a numerical ID and what else? Maybe the date when it's been added. And then I want to keep track of if it's been used or not. So I could have a Boolean used column, but I want to keep track of every time when it has been used. So I think I need another table for that. So gift card uses table, and then there's like an ID and a timestamp and amount and the reference to the ID of the gift card. So I could probably explain to ChatGPT, make this kind of table, but what if I just explain what I'm doing? Maybe it will design an even better database than I can. So let's do that. I want to create a PHP program that creates gift cards. I want to save the gift cards in the database. The gift cards will have different amounts and they can be used many times until there is no money left on the gift card. I want to keep track of all the times the gift cards have been used. Can you make the MySQL database for this application? Okay, so we're creating gift cards with an ID, a card number, a balance, and a created ad. Just what I said. And transactions, okay, that's a better name than gift card uses. ID, gift card ID, amount, created at. Exactly what I described. Great, so let's create that database. But first I need a database. Can you write the code that creates a user gift card with a password gift card and a database called giftcard, and add that user to the database? All right, create user gift card at localhost identified by gift card. Create database gift card. Grant all privileges on gift card to gift card at localhost. Great. So let's do that. Let's open MySQL here and copy these codes. So copy everything here and paste it in here. Great. And we don't have to do this. That should be done now. What are we going to do next? Can you create a PHP class gift card that models the gift cards table? Certainly. Here's an example of a PHP class that could be used to model the gift cards table. Great, so now we have a beautiful class here for the gift card. And I forgot to actually create the tables in the database. So I need to copy this and I need to log in again and use gift card. And then I will do this. So let's copy this PHP code here for the gift card class. Copy code, and let's create a new file here in the source folder. giftcard.php. So here we have a class, and I want to use 4 spaces for indentation. Please use 4 spaces for indentation in the future. I apologize for the oversight. Well, you don't have to make it again. I can change it myself. So now we have this beautiful class here. What should we do next? So now we can create a gift card in the manner that it described. So new gift card with the ID and the code, the amount and the timestamp. Can you create a function that creates a gift card with a random code? Random, what was it called? Random card number. Yeah, now it said card number, but I don't want it to be a number because a number is easy to fake. Card, random code. Can you change the card number to be an alphanumeric code instead? And can you create a function that creates a gift card with a random code? Now, it still has a card number. What? Okay. And here we are generating the random card number, but I run into this problem again that it doesn't finish it. Or maybe it's loading still. Okay, so it didn't change the method name of the card number, it's still card number. But it will be an alphanumeric code. And now I got a network error. Let's try it again. Oh, now it's writing the code how to save it in the database. Oh, and it actually used the correct credentials that we asked it to make before. So let's copy this code and let's create here a new function that will save the gift card to the database. So public function save. So this is what GitHub Copilot wants us to do, but we are going to do this. And now I don't have this generate card number function because I got this network error before. So can you show me the generate card number function again? You can only print that function. Right, so here we are generating a random alphanumeric code. Can you only use uppercase letters and numbers? Okay, that's great. That will work. So let's add this here in the gift card class. So now we can generate a card number and we can save it to the database. But now Now, this is not supposed to be here actually, because we should save the current card number of this card. So let's see if GitHub Copilot will understand this. I will say this. No. This. Come on, GitHub Copilot. Card number. Card number. I guess I have to code it myself. Balance will be this. Balance. Okay, now we're talking. Well, I should actually use get. Get. Come on. Get card number. Get. No. Balance. Okay, I don't want to do this myself. Let's ask ChatGPT to do it. Can you add a save method to the class that will save the gift card in the database? So it says it will create a new one or update an existing one. So it goes a bit further. Hopefully we have enough room to generate everything. Now here I can see something weird. Or maybe not. What is SDSI? I have never used MySQLi, so I'm not sure what that does. Is that supposed to be there? I just use PDO. Okay, so let's copy this part and let's put it here. So what does this do? It gets the MySQL connection, and if this card already has an ID, then it will update the gift cards with the balance. Otherwise, it will create a new gift card in the database. All right, and then it sets its ID to the insert ID. All right, that's pretty good. But I think we should use some dependency injection here instead. Can you use dependency injection in the save method? Well, I ran out of space again, so I will just have it here. And I need to remember this. Now, I want to know, what does this do? SDS and SDSI. So let's ask, what do SDS and SDSI mean in the MySQLi? Ah, okay. That makes sense. So by this you set which type are these. Okay. You learn something new every day. So now I can generate a random card number and I can save a gift card in the database. So now actually it might be better to move this generate card number into like a factory class that would like generate a new gift card. So let's ask it to do that. Can you move the generate card number function into a GiftcardFactory class? Okay, you don't have to make the gift card anymore. Okay, let's make a gift card factory as well. So let's create a new file here called giftcardfactory.php. And I will delete this from here. Now I would also like to have a method here that I could use to add a new gift card and only give it the amount, and then it would generate a random gift card and save it. So let's do that. So yeah, well now we can use the GitHub Copilot. So create card number, but I don't want to do that. And why does it have to be static? I don't want a static. Public function create but I want only the amount. Amount. That's all I want. I don't need anything else. And I need the database. I will make a constructor for that. So let's... Exactly, this is what I want. Thank you. Well, then I need to save it. So gift card equals this. And then I have to save it. Now, should I save it in the Giftcard? Now, should I save it in the Giftcard class or the GiftcardFactory class? Or I'm not going to create a third class. So Giftcard, save. And then I need the database. So I will say this database. And then here I will create public function construct. And it gets the database. Great. And then, come on. This database equals that. Okay, that's great. So now we can create a gift card with an amount. It will generate a random card number and set a balance of this. And set the date when it's created. And it will create a new one and it will save it in the database. And then it will return the gift card. Great. So what's next? Let's first tell ChatGPT what we did with this factory class. I made the following changes to the factory. Can you create a controller class that gets an amount from the request and creates a gift card with that amount using the factory? Alright, so now we will create a GiftcardController class and we will give it the GiftcardFactory, and then we have a create gift card method in there. You can use the GiftcardController like this. Great. So let's create this GiftcardController now. Let's create it here, new file, GiftcardController. Okay, and then we can use it this way. So let's create here in the public folder a new file. We're not going to do any routers here. We're just going to make a create giftcard.php. Now, I think we should move this into a separate file. And, well, yeah, we need an autoloader as well. I forgot that. Thank you, Copilot. But then, yes, I want the db.php. Okay, thank you. So let's create that db.php. And it should actually not be in the public folder. So they should be actually in here. Like this. And then I will create the database here. Great. Well, then it suggests we should have some error handling. Okay, let's do that, that's fine. And it wants us to end the PHP tag, but we are not going to do that. So now we have a create giftcard.php, and it will create the gift card. Great. Now I need a form that will submit to create giftcard.php. So let's do that. I moved the example code to create giftcard.php. Can you create an HTML form that will ask for a gift card amount and post it to create giftcard.php? That's great. So let's copy this code and let's create a new file here. Add giftcard.php. Great. And save that one. So let's start a server here. So let's go into the public folder I will use my beautiful script that I created in the previous video. So I will say servit giftcard.local 8085.443. Now, if you want to know what this does, you have to look at the previous video that I made. So now if I go to https giftcard.local, I should have an empty page here with my index. So then if I go to add giftcard.php, I will have an amount here and I will say 540. Create gift card. Gift card created with ID 1. I guess it worked. Let's make another one. ID 2. So it seems like it's actually working. Now we should have some place to see what gift cards are in the database. Can you create a page that lists all the gift cards in the database in a table? Okay, that looks pretty good. But now I moved this into the db.php and I called it db. I moved the MySQLi connection into a db.php file and called it db. Can you do the same change to this code? Alright, here is our code for the view where we list all the gift cards in the database. So let's copy this code and create a new file here called giftcards.php and paste it here, and let's see if this works. So if we go now to giftcards.php, we see beautiful gift cards here. Card number, balance, created that. That is amazing. It works. So now we have to be able to check if a card number is valid, if it still has balance. So how do we do that? Can you create a form that will ask for a card number and check if it is valid? Alright, so we are posting the card number to checkcard.php, and then we get the card number with post card number, and then we are checking it. Oh, and I forgot, I want to see if there's amount left. This only checks if it's valid. So let's rephrase this. Can you change it so that it will check if there is enough balance left on the card? Ask for card and for balance. No, actually, I don't want to do this. I want to just check the balance. I don't have to say if there is balance. Just check balance and then it shows. Okay. Can you instead change it so that when you put in the card number, it will tell you how much balance is left on the card? Now, here is a good lesson of why you actually have to know what you're doing, even though you're using ChatGPT, because we have a clear SQL injection vulnerability here. But I think if I just say, can you fix the SQL so that it's not vulnerable to SQL injection? Alright, here we have a more secure code. It's funny that it didn't actually do this from the beginning. You have to tell it, please make it secure, man. So let's copy this code now. And actually, I think this is a bit too complicated. I want to do it this way. Let me write the code, how I want to use it actually. So let me create a new file here called check balance. And then I'm gonna need the autoloader here. And I'm gonna need the database. And then I want to be able to get a gift card from the database with the specified card number. So I will say gift card equals, let's make it a static function, gift card get by get find. Okay, that sounds pretty good. Get find. Okay, gift card find from the database with this card number. Great. And then do exactly this. Thank you, GitHub Copilot. So if there's a gift card, then echo the balance, but I want to get balance. It doesn't know because there is no find method yet. And now I'll say the balance is. So now I will say this. I want to be able to check the balance like this. What will it do? Hopefully it will create the find method in the class. Now it's gonna write the whole thing again. Here we have a static method find. So it will search the database for the card number and then create a new object of that card and otherwise return null. Great, that is good. So I will take this find function here and I will put it into the gift card class. That's good. So now let's just put the form here. Form for checking balance. And then Copilot will not do anything. Well, actually, yes, I have to end. And then, that is great. Exactly what I want. That's it. So now if I go to check balance.php, card not found. Okay. I want to do this only if it is set. Not like this. I just want to do it like this. If it is set, then do this. So now, card number. Check balance. Card not found. Well, let's go to giftcards.php. And let's take a card number here. Check balance. So now it says card balance is $56. Great, it works. And if I take the other one, 540. So now we can check what is the balance. Great. What else do we have to do? Now we have to use the card. So how do we do that? So when the customer comes to the store and says, here is my gift card, please apply this. So we have to have a page for using the balance. So I might add it just here. So here we should say, okay, would you like to use some balance from this? Create use credit card. Use gift card form. Great. That is amazing. So now, if there is balance, well, we have to do that check as well. If there is a balance. So let me go back here, and if I refresh this page, then there's a use gift card form here. So if we put something else here, card not found, then we put this, then it says use gift card. And I want the default value to be value equals, come on Copilot, you know what I'm doing. You don't know. No. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. Gift card get balance. So now it will be automatically here. So now we need to make the use giftcard.php. So let's create that. Use giftcard.php. Now I'm starting to have many files here. Maybe I should do some router or something. But let's just do it like this for now. Require autoloader, and database. So then we have to say gift card is find with the card number, okay. And then if there is a gift card, then you will use the gift card. Otherwise it will say card not found. And it puts the amount there. Great, exactly what I want. So now we have to create this use gift card method. Let's see what Copilot will say about that. If we go here and we add use public function use gift card. With the amount, it changes the balance and then it saves it. Well, that's exactly what I should do. But there is a problem here. This doesn't check the balance. So what if I put like this? It's gonna know. If there is more balance than the amount, then it will use it. It knows exactly what I want. It reads my mind. Now we should be able to use it. So if I go here, and the balance is 540, and then I check the balance of this, it's 540, and then I use 40, I get an error. Call to member function prepare on null. It tries to use this database, but this does not have a database. So instead how should I solve this? Let's ask ChatGPT. I created the following method for the gift card class, but there is no this database. How should I solve this issue? Now, is it going to inject it from the constructor, or is it going to add another database here? Or is it going to do something else? Let's see. It's going to do exactly this. Now it's going to work. Now this is an interesting question. Like if I pass it here, then I have to pass it every time. But if I pass it in the constructor, then I have to pass it even though I'm not going to use it. So, because I don't always have to use the database. Or do I? Okay, so it made an alternative version. Alternatively, you can store the database connection as a property of the gift card object, like this. So now it passes it in the constructor. And then it uses this database here as well. So which one should we use? Let's look at the code. So where do we say new gift card? In the factory. No, this is GiftcardFactory. We do it here in the find method. And we do it here where we pass the database here. So in fact, I think it is a better way to pass it in here. So I will say this database and I will remove this. And I will add it here as well because we have the database here. But we will say, oh, this is not going to be this because it's a static function. So it's just going to be this database. And then this is just a factory and the controller, so we don't need to do that. So now we can change the save function as well. So save is here. We do not take MySQLi. We say that this database, but we should not close the database here. So that should work now. But I have to add it here. So database, and then Copilot, yes, great. And yes, that's great. So now if we go back here and we go here, let's refresh this page, and we will put 40 and use gift card. Gift card used. And if you go here, the balance is now 500. Great, it works. Now, what if I go and I use 500? Then balance is 0. What if I then try to use 50? It says card not found. It's kind of the wrong error message, but it's gonna be more complicated. Use gift card, so I should say this. If there is a gift card, then if there is balance. Okay, so if there's not enough balance, then it says not enough balance. Okay. So now if I go here, and refresh it, it says not enough balance. Great. Let's add some navigation menu here. So new file, menu.php. And here I will say print menu for, this don't have to be a PHP, just menu for gift cards, gift card app. What will it do? Well, doc type, okay. Well, that's simple. That's not exactly what I wanted, but I should actually do this. But I will move this to the index. So we will have gift card app, add gift card, use gift card. And I want one more. Gift cards, gift card list. Well, it's not list, it's just gift cards. And then I can just put here, let's do a little bit of a dynamic website. Check if user is logged in. No. I will include given page. Well, include given page securely. That's not secure. Can you make this code more secure? What if I create a folder here called pages, and then I move all these in here? What if I move all the pages into a pages directory? Can I modify the code so that it only allows to include pages that are in the pages directory? The first code sanitizes the page parameter to prevent error. Yes, base name. That should be good enough. So this will turn the page parameter into just the last part of the file name. So then if I check if that page exists, then that should be secure. Is that secure? What if I do allow only letters and numbers? Now it's secure. And dashes. It doesn't know how to add dashes. So I will add a dash here. That should work. So now if actually the menu, I will move the menu now. So I will say include menu.php. And then I will go to the menu and I will add this here. I will add an ID of menu. And these I will change to page index.php page equals gift cards. So now we should have a heading of gift card app and we should have the menu and then it should show the current page where we are at. So if I just go to here, it will say invalid page, okay? If I go to gift cards, it doesn't work. It doesn't work because I need to require the stuff here. Why doesn't it work? Alright, I'm back after a while of debugging. So I can't use this require once here anymore from this directory because I have it in the pages folder now. So I will just remove this from all of these. And I will move the whole pages folder into the root folder. And then in the index.php I will say get it from there because the user doesn't have to have access to those pages directly anyway. So they are hidden now. So now only index and menu are directly accessible. So now if I go here, now it shows all the gift cards here on the gift cards page. And then add gift card is not gonna work because I called it something else. It is create and use gift cards is okay. And let's just call check gift card. Check balance. So now we have a menu here, gift cards, which will be the list of the gift cards. And then add gift cards still doesn't work because I did not allow underscore. So I will add an underscore here in the allowed characters. Check gift card. Gift cards, add gift card. So now gift cards, add gift card, use gift card, check gift card. And use gift card is not its own thing because we only have the list of gift cards, we have the way to add a gift card, and then we have a way to check the gift card. And then after we check it, then we can use it. But now the URLs are wrong, like this. Alright, now I have updated all the form actions, so they will go to the right page. So if I go to add gift card and I add a $65 gift card, then it created with ID 3. And then I go to gift cards, then I have the $65 gift card here. If I go to check gift card and I add this here, it says invalid page because I did that incorrectly. I need to change it to post because I use get here already. And I will use post. So now I will check the gift card, check balance. Balance is 65. And then I can use 50 of that 65 gift card used. And then I will go to gift cards and now there's only 15 left. Alright, so now it works. Now we can create gift cards and we can check that they have balance. Now this will be the end of today's video, but I will continue this in the next one. So next we are going to style this page with ChatGPT And then we are going to add the PDF printing so that we can print the PDF of the gift card with a barcode. And then we can check the barcode. So see you in the next episode. I hope you liked this video, and please subscribe to my channel so you can see more of these videos, and then you won't miss the next video when I continue this project. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.